Hi there, this is James with Northern Arizona Wind & Sun. We're here to talk about REC panels today. These are the N-Peak series 315 watt solar panels. Max VOC is about 40.5 volts. Rated voltage is around 34 volts. They're a 60 cell panel as configured, but with 120 cells in a mid bus. So it's a split module configuration. Effectively, half the panel is on a central bus and the other half is on the other central bus. They have MC4 connectors and a single middle junction, as well as they're braced, making these some of the strongest panels available on the market. If you have any questions about these particular panels, feel free to give us a call or visit our website linked in the description. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and comment.